So it's official, the Apple AirPod Pros are a thing. They were actually announced by Apple today, kinda. They were just kind of dropped on their website. But we're gonna get into the details on exactly what these can do, what the rumors said, and what is actually true. We're gonna talk about the Apple AirPods Pro in this video. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So the pros were dropped on Apple's website earlier today, and Apple released some details on what you can expect feature-wise with the Apple AirPods Pro. So you actually have the noise cancellation that everyone's been waiting for, including this guy here. And to go along with that, they also have something called transparency mode. And what that basically is just the ability for you to still hear what's going on around you, and it's a mode that it looks like you activate by tapping the bottom of the AirPods themselves. So you can be in noise cancellation mode, but if you need to hear your surroundings, then you can go into transparency mode, and the AirPods will then start allowing outside noise in so you can actually hear what's going on around you. It actually looks pretty easy to activate and looks pretty cool. I can't wait to get my hands on it. So as expected, the overall design of the AirPods did change, but not drastically. What they did is they added some silicone tips. It got a little bit bigger, and also you have some controls at the bottom of the AirPods. Now, I really believe that the silicone tips are a benefit because I always had a problem with the AirPods actually staying in my ear. I know the silicone tips add to the noise cancellation feature, but they also add to the ability for the AirPods to be able to stay in your ear while you're doing rigorous exercises. I always wondered how people were able to keep those things in their ears. This looks like it's going to be more of a snug fit. And of course, in true Apple form, they're offering 3 sizes of silicone tips. Only Apple can make silicone tips an innovation that they offer with their product. Now it looks like the AirPods are going to feature something called active noise cancellation, and that's just basically the AirPods themselves working continuously to cancel out noise that's going on around you. So the AirPods are going to be evaluating the noise that's in your area, working continuously to cancel out that noise, but it's also going to be taking account of the noise that's getting into your ear from what it says, and also work on eliminating that noise as well for really truly immersive music and really truly immersive noise cancellation. We'll see if in practice that works. It sounds great on paper. When we get our hands on it, we'll see in practice if that's actually a thing or they're just saying it. So it looks like it's going to have the H1 chip, and it's going to use that with the new technology to kind of enhance the overall sound of the AirPods themselves. And they do now have some force sensor touch options at the bottom of the AirPods, so they've upgraded it in that retrospect as well. You can use those force sensors to activate the noise cancellation. You can also use it apparently to control your music, answer your calls. Those are going to be your main controls for the AirPods moving forward. It looks like they're also sweat and water resistant as expected, and they're set to be offering about 24 hours worth of listening time with the charging case. That's 4.5 hours on one charge, and about 1 hour of listening time from about 5 minutes of charging. So it looks like most of the rumors for the Pro were accurate. Some were saying that you could expect different colors. I didn't see any different colors being offered. Maybe that's coming later on down the line. That would actually be kind of cool to have different options to match the phone that you currently have. They also didn't show any kind of upgrades to applications that go along with the AirPods on the iPhones themselves. So no signal on a companion app to go along with these particular Pro AirPods to give any kind of adjustments or fine-tune the sound. Maybe that also is coming later on down the pipe, or maybe it's going to work in conjunction with Apple Music, which is now their new music application. Maybe it'll have some different functions in Apple Music that you can use to finely tune and adjust the AirPods through the Apple software itself. So the AirPods themselves, they look pretty cool. I like the design. I like the features that they're offering. I want to get my hands on them to see how well these noise cancellation options do work in the real world. I want to see how the battery life holds up versus the other AirPod 2s and the AirPod 1s. Charging, syncing, all that stuff. When we get our hands on it, we're going to run it through the paces. Of course, we're going to do some troubleshooting. We're going to do some how-to videos. We're going to do a review on it, so stay tuned to the channel for that. What do you guys think of the AirPod Pros? Are you planning on getting a pair? They're going to run you about $250, so that's actually right around what we kind of thought they would run, so no surprises there either. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comment section below this video, and until then, you can check out the review we did on the AirPods 2 by clicking on this video here, and this is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.